So, good morning, friends and students and all. So, today I am going to say the subject of RDBMS, and today's topic is history of database system. So, history of database system. So, what is database first? So what is the database? So database is nothing but it stores the data, means it is the collection of data. It is the collection of data without any harmful or unnecessary data. Okay, so DB is the collection of data. So in this history, here we have history. First, the DBMS is invented in 1970s. So earlier from 1970s means in 1950s, in 1960s. So what we have used to store the data in these years. So this is the history of DB system. So in this, firstly, in 1950s, in early 1950s, so the scientists or any other people are used to store the traditional file based system. So about this topic we will learn in next few classes. Okay, so in 1950s the file based system was invented. So what is this file based system? This will be said in the next classes. Okay, so next in 1950s and early 1960s. So in 1950s and in early 1960s, the magnetic tapes were developed for data storage. So the magnetic tapes were developed for storing the data. So in this process, the input is taken as punched card decks. What is the input? The input is punched card decks. And as well as in this we have input, then we have output also. So the output is, we know printers, so the output is printers and the input is punched card decks. Okay, so in 1950s to 1960s the magnetic tapes were developed for data storing, and in this we are taking input as punched card decks and the output is printers. So the next one, the third one, in late 1960s and early 1970s. So in late 1960s and early 1970s, in this the hard disks were developed. The hard disks were developed for data storing. So in 1960s and 1970s the hard disks were developed for storing the data. So since hard disks are allowed direct access to data, these hard disks were allowed direct access to data. So now after this the network model and the hierarchical model was introduced. So what is network model and what is hierarchical model? This will be seen in the further classes. So in 1970s, we know in the 1970s the DBMS was developed. So what is DBMS? DBMS means database management system. So DBMS means database management system. So this database management system was developed. So here in 1980s, the RDBMS was developed. So in 1980s, the RDBMS was developed. So what is this RDBMS? RDBMS means relational database management system. So this is the relational database management system. So in 1990s, in early 1990s, the SQL was developed. So this SQL is a query language which is used. So this SQL language was introduced. So what is this SQL language and what is the uses of SQL language? This will be discussed in early next exercises or next videos. So in late 1990s, the major event was the explosive growth of World Wide Web. So this SQL was there in the World Wide Web. www means World Wide Web. So this SQL language is there in World Wide Web. So we can say it generally has the major event was the explosive growth of a World Wide Web. Okay, so this is the history of DBMS. So history of database system. So thank you all.